you really can't work with people that have these 10-second attention spans. There's this problem today in society, just overall, with this attention span thing, where most people can't even get this far into a video, where it's just some guy like me talking. There's nothing flashy, and there's not bombs going off, and there's not all this stuff going on. It's just me talking to you about basic business concepts. A lot of people can't even get to this point in the video to really start digging in, because they're so used to doing 8 million things at once, being on Netflix and being on Facebook and Instagram at the same time on their phone, and they're answering stuff and doing this and looking up to see what's on. Oh, that happened on Netflix. Okay, great. Let me get back to my Facebook thing. And it's just like this ADD mentality, right? First of all, you can't work like that. Like, if you have some of those tendencies, you need to slow down, okay? Because you're not going to build a business very well. And I want to bring back something else that John Maxwell says in the book. You're not going to be able to do very well if you've kind of got that whole thing going on. You have this idea that multitasking and doing 8 million things at once is the way to go. There was a part in this book where he's talking about thinking differently, thinking better, right? He says studies have been done on multitasking, and that switching from task to task can cost you up to 40% efficiency. So the more you're trying to do all these different things at once, you're actually hurting yourself, and you're going backwards, and you're not able to get anything moving forward. So a lot of times it's not even the marketing technique that's the problem. It's the thinking process and how you work your day and how you structure things so that you know when you time to go to work and get things done, that you're actually not trying to do 8 million things at once. You're doing one thing, getting it done, and then moving on to the next task. That's very, very important to be thinking about.